Admission to Korea's royal palaces and tombs of the Joseon Dynasty will become free every Wednesday on a rolling basis, starting with the royal tombs today.
정부의 문화가 있는 날 정책 확대에 맞춰 오늘부터 조선 왕릉을 시작으로 매주 수요일에 궁궐과 왕릉의 무료 개방 조치가 순차적으로 시행됩니다. Alright, so every Wednesday from today.
Yeah, Wednesday. So it's Culture Day, and this designation or this free admission plan, they're going to expand this in phases following the government's decision to designate every Wednesday as Culture Day. So starting today, all royal tombs of the Joseon Dynasty will offer free entry, and the policy will gradually extend to Deoksugung in August and Changdeokgung, Changgyeonggung, and Jongmyo Shrine in October. And a decision on including Gyeongbokgung will be made later due to concerns over overcrowding and visitor safety. So officials say that they are upgrading visitor management, guidance systems, ticketing services, and safety measures to accommodate the expected increase in attendance.
일단은 이제 조선 왕릉을 시작으로 하는데요. 궁궐과 왕릉 무료로 수요일마다 방문하실 수 있게 될 거고 추후에는 덕수궁이라든지 창덕궁, 창경궁, 종묘 등등도 무료로 수요일마다 가실 수 있습니다. Let's have a look at admission to something.
Yeah, admission to something. So admission to a place in this case, it refers to the formal or authorized permission to enter or visit a place because you can't just go to certain places without paying an admissions fee.
Yeah, exactly. 입장료, admission fee. 그래서 입장, admission. 이게 입학이 될 수도 있어요.
Yes.
학교면은.
Yeah. So if you are joining a specific location or institution, as in a college or university, you can also say, you have been admitted to a school or you applied for admission to a school.
그래요. 그래서 입학의 의미, 또 입장의 의미가 다 있다는 거. Admission, to be admitted. What about on a rolling basis?
On a rolling basis basically means on a first come, first served basis. And for example, this is also used when we're talking about college admissions as well. You can say rolling admissions or admissions or applications are accepted on a rolling basis. And it means that applications are evaluated as they come and decisions are made as they come. So it's best to do this fast. Do it early rather than waiting until the deadline to send something in.
그러니까 사람의 경우에는 오는 순서대로, 그러나 여기서는 순차적으로 수요일마다 이런 행사들이 열릴 거다. 다시 읽어보겠습니다. Admission to Korea's royal palaces and tombs of the Joseon Dynasty will become free every Wednesday on a rolling basis, starting with the royal tombs today. Let's move on to the second headline.